We warmly welcome our distinguished colleagues from Niger to the House of the National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Ji, Ali Mohammad Khan sir.
सर बहुत शुक्रिया आपने इनको वेलकम किया मैं हुकूमत और अपोजिशन आई वांट टू वेलकम द ऑनरेबल गेस्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ पाकिस्तान एंड द अपोजिशन द ऑनरेबल colleagues and from our brotherly country, His Excellency Mr. Sainu Umaru, President of the National Assembly of Niger, Head of Delegation, Honorable Fatima Dobu, Member of Parliament, Parliamentary Secretary, and Honorable Rabiu Maina, President of Parliamentary Group, the Republicans, Honorable Abdullah Muhammadu, President of Niger-Pakistan Friendship Group, Mr. Lamido Haruna Mahmouni, Director of Cabinet. We welcome you here. Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Bubakar Temugu, Secretary General. We welcome you here to Pakistan, your brotherly country. Mr. Ali Isaka, journalist, and along with him, Mr. Al-Hussein Aglis, journalist, and Al-Basin and Al-Bakir Jeku Mamani, protocol officer, Lieutenant Colonel Borima Osami, aide-de-camp, and Isupu Hamani, head of security, and the last but not the least, Mr. Surjani Javani Sam, close security officer. We welcome you, the honorable esteemed guests, to Pakistan, and we hope you have a good stay here. And we also hope that when you go back to Niger, you take good memories from Pakistan, and we appreciate your visit to Pakistan, and we also hope that inshallah the government of Pakistan and the government of Niger and all the brotherly states, we inshallah work together for the peace of the world. But especially I would like to thank you on behalf of the government of Pakistan and on behalf of the parliament, the support and the stand which the government of Niger and which the parliamentary groups from your side took for the cause of Kashmir. I would like to appreciate that. Thank you so much.